Hello, my friends. Welcome back. This is your coach again for part 2 of Module 6, Lesson 21. Elise saved $184. She bought a scarf, a necklace, and a notebook. After her purchases, she still had $39.50. The scarf cost 3/5 the cost of the necklace, and the notebook was 1/6 as much as the scarf. What was the cost of each item? How much more did the necklace cost than the notebook? All right, so this is a little complex problem, but I think we can tackle it. Okay, so she saved a good amount of money, correct? Okay, so this is going to represent how much she saved. So she saved this much money. That's how much is represented right here. Okay, so um, she spent certain amount, which we don't know how much is that is yet. And the problem said that she had $39.50 left. So she had this much left, 39 and 50. So we need to find out how much she has left. And to do that, we have to grab 184 minus the $39 that she still has. And that should give us a total of 144.50. Okay? I'm just giving you the total so it's easier and the video doesn't take too long. All right, now we have that so far. Now it says that the scarf costs 3/5 the cost of a necklace. So let's do this. Let's do 3/5 right here. This is gonna represent 3/5, and this is the scarf. Okay, and we also know that the necklace was, well, 5/5 because it says that that's what it says in the story. But this is 3/5. Um, the scarf costs 3/5 the cost of the necklace, right? So that's 3/5, and this is 5/5. Okay. Now our story continues to say that the notebook was 1/6 as much as the scarf. Okay, since the notebook is the only one that has one unit, the notebook, and we're gonna call it. This is gonna be our unit. Now we don't know how much each of these. We don't know each of these amounts. Okay, so each of these amounts are unknown. All right, but what we know is that this is 1/6 of that number, right? So that 1/6 that means we have to divide this one in 6 parts. So this represents 1/6, right? 1/6 out of that one. So since we divided this one in halves, each of the wholes, each of the parts, then we're gonna do this with the top one. Okay, and remember, the total of this has to equal that amount. Okay, now we don't know how much is each of these units, but we know that it's all that amount. So we can count how many units we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that means this 17 can divide that number. That way we'll get how much is each of the units. So 17 units equal that amount. So how much is each of them? Well, there's the division. So 144.50 divided by 17. Okay. We're not gonna go through the whole thing because you should review your division, okay? The answer is 850. So each unit is 850. Okay? Now, since this is 10 units, so each of these units is 850. Okay? Now, let's multiply, if we multiply 850 times the 10 units for the, and we call this the necklace. Okay? That's going to equal $85. Got it? And there are 6 units right here. So what's going to be 850 times 6 units? And that will be $51. Okay. And obviously the last one, this one we know how much it is 850. Each unit is 850. Okay. All right. Now, did we answer the questions? Let's see. Okay, the scarf cost this much. Okay, but the question is, what was the cost of each item? Well, we already know now that the necklace is this much, $85. The scarf is $51, and the notebook is $850. We have that one covered. How much more did the necklace cost of the notebook? Okay, so we're gonna find out how much more that cost. Okay, if the notebook, the necklace cost $85, right? And the notebook costs 850. So I'm going to align and I'm going to give 0 tenths and 0 dimes to the 85. So we can subtract 850 and find out how much more that one, how much more expensive that was. And when you do the math, the answer is 76.50. So let's see. How much more did the necklace cost? Okay, so we answer the questions. The necklace is 76. Oh, let me see if we can. $76.50 more than the notebook. Okay, my friends, watch this video. They're simple. They're actually they make you think. I gotta tell you, I read these problems more than 5 times, and I tried them until I figured them out. And you gotta have to do the same thing. Luckily for your homework, you only have 2 problems. Signing out, your coach, Mr. Magno, wishing you the best.